Are we there yet?
We left the house 5 minutes ago.
Tom, please. It is 1 hour. Look outside. The sea is beautiful.
I don't have Wi-Fi. This is a disaster.
When I was young, we had no phone, no car, no electricity, and we were happy.
Gran, that sounds terrible.
Yes, it was very terrible, but we didn't know that.
Dad, tell me about the lighthouse. What is it like?
Ah, Hartley Point Lighthouse. It is very old, 200 years. It has a big light at the top.
Sailors use it to find the coast in the dark. It is magnificent.
Mike, you read that from a website last night. What that?
Yes. But I read it with great enthusiasm.
Oh, wow. It is beautiful.
I came here when I was young, with your grandfather. A long time ago.
Sarah, why is this bag so heavy? What is inside?
Food, water, blankets, a first aid kit, candles, a torch, extra batteries, playing cards.
Sarah, we are going to a lighthouse, not the moon.
You always say that. And then something always happens.
I have 1 bar of signal here. 1.
Tom, get out of the car, now. Wow, it is so old. Look at these walls, 200 years.
It smells very old.
That is the smell of history, Tom.
History smells like wet socks.
This is the keeper's room. The lighthouse keeper lived here. He worked here every day, alone.
He looked after the light, so ships did not crash into the rocks.
That is lonely, but also beautiful.
No Wi-Fi, no phone. He was basically dead.
Tom, he was saving lives.
Okay. That is actually cool.
Come on, everyone! 127 steps. Let's go.
Look at it. Just look at it. The sea goes on forever. Oh my goodness. Oh, that is incredible. And look at the light. The lighthouse light. It is so big. I had no idea it was this big.
Hello, old friend.
The sea is really big.
Can I take a photo? All of us. Here. Together.
You want a photo? But you always say don't look at your phone.
Tom, this is different. This is a memory. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Dad? Look at the sky.
It is fine, Emma. A little cloud. Nothing to worry.
Dad, that was thunder.
That was a very large truck. On the road, far away.
Mike, that is not a truck. Pack up, now. Everyone move.
That is a sea storm, and it is coming fast. We need to go inside. Immediately.
Sarah, I told you we should have checked the weather forecast.
Mike, you said it will be fine. The sky looks lovely.
I may have been slightly optimistic.
Everyone, into the lighthouse.
Come on.
The blanket is gone. The blanket is flying. It is in... Leave the blanket. Move!
Okay, so we are stuck.
I have 0 signal. 0. I am dead.
Tom, you are not dead. You are just offline.
Same thing.
Okay, we have food, water, candles, a torch, blankets. Wait, where is the blanket?
It is in the sea.
Right. Okay. We have everything else. We are fine.
Yes, fine. Totally fine. I was just clearing my throat.
Mike, you are scared.
I am not scared. I am a fully grown adult man.
You are also holding Emma's hand.
It is okay, Dad. I am also a little scared.
Good. Then we are scared together.
This lighthouse is 200 years old. A lot of people lived here. A lot of people died here. Probably. The keeper lived here. Alone. In the dark. Every night. Okay, that was the wind. Just the wind. Definitely just the wind.
What if the keeper's ghost is still here? What if he walks up and down those stairs every night? What if he is on those stairs right now?
Tom, what happened?
The stairs! There was a sound! From the stairs! Something is on the stairs!
What? Where? I am ready.
Tom, what did you hear?
A creak! From the stairs! A really loud creak. Like a footstep.
Tom, there is nothing there.
I heard it. It was a footstep. The lighthouse keeper is a ghost. He is walking up there right now.
Tom, old buildings make sounds. The wood moves, the stone moves. It is cold outside and warm inside. The walls breathe. It is completely normal.
The walls breathe? Gran, that is worse.
Go to sleep, Tom.
Tom, are you scared?
No. I am just sitting here, near you, for no reason.
There is no ghost, Tom. Close your eyes.
Gran, you are awake already?
I am always awake early. Old habit. Come, look.
Oh, it is so beautiful after all that.
Is there food? I need food. My back hurts. This bag is not a pillow.
You know, that was actually a good trip.
I don't want to go. I know that's silly, but I don't. It is not silly. Some places stay in your heart. This will be one of them.
Right then. Same time next year?
Yes.